Hello and welcome back to Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon, and as usual I'm in the compass. Today's an exciting one because we're getting some serious planting done. We've got some tree lilies to get in the ground, some begonia tubers to start, and an absolutely huge delivery of plug plants to pot on. 72 of them to be exact. So first we're going to look at the tree lilies. Now I've never grown these before, but apparently they're incredible. Towering stems, gorgeous flowers and a scent that fills the air in summer. And apparently it'll take a little while to establish, but trust me, they'll be worth the wait. Then we'll be looking at starting off the begonia tubers. Now these are an absolute staple for summer pots. I love them. They're great in pots, hanging baskets, and getting them going now means that we'll have a spectacular show in a few months' time. And then, as I mentioned, this beast of a delivery, 72 plug plants from Suttons, the Bumper Garden Collection. This is a fantastic mix and they'll need potting on before they're ready to go in the garden. You'll see in early videos where I show you how to do it, which I did with the begonia plug plants as well. And I'll share some tips on how to give them the best start. So it's one of those busy but satisfying gardening days. So if you love planting, planning ahead for summer colour, or just seeing what's new in the garden, then as always grab a cuppa and enjoy. So today I'm going to plant up some tree lilies. So I've got 3 ones here. This is Miss Freya. This one's called Honeymoon. And this one's called Anastasia. So 3 bulbs in each pack, quite a large bulb. I'll open up in a minute and show you. And I'm going to pot them into these planters. So I'm going to put 3 in there, 3 in this one, and 3 in this one. These can grow up to, I think, probably about 6 foot. I don't think they'll grow that tall this year. We're going to put them in and we'll see how they do. This is in the Hampshire garden, so we'll pot them on and see what happens. I'll open them and then we'll take a look, shall we? So I've just opened the pack, and here's the bulb. So nice roots on the bottom. As you can see, it's already starting to sprout. So we'll pop these on. Normally with a bulb, they only say plant it twice as deep as a bulb size, so we'll dig quite big holes, give them a bit of space, and then we'll keep you updated with progress and see what happens. So let me get these planted in, shall we? So that's them planted up. Just 3 big holes up to main, and again just 3 in here. Labelled them up so you know which is which. And then we'll keep a track on them and see how they progress, shall we? Right, so now I'm going to start off some begonias that we saved from last year, some tubers. So these are the begonias we stored over winter, dried them off. I'm just going to start them off in trays, so just pack them in, start them off, and then once they get a bit of a root system on, we can then transplant them into baskets or pots. So I've got this basket, got these begonias, and I've got another tray there, and we'll start them off. So all you do is just shove them in. I'll show you, and then we'll again keep progress on like the tree lilies and the plug plants. So here's 3 I've put in. If I just show you, so here's a begonia. You got the roots at the bottom, so that's where the bottom is. And then normally at the top it's a bit of a concave. So you know that that's the top. If I just get another example, so again here's another one. So you got roots at the bottom, so it goes bottom down, and normally at the top it's a little bit concave, and that goes at the top, and that's where it starts to sprout from. So just push them in like this. I'll show you an example. Just make a bit of a hole, pop it in, so you don't have to cover it up, but just so the roots are covered like so, and then watch it sprouting in a few weeks' time. And there we go, 2 trays of begonias. We're just going to pop them in the compass, give them a water, and then just keep an eye on them, keep them frost free, and hopefully we'll see them sprouting very soon. Can't wait for the season to begin. So today I've taken delivery of some more plug plants these are from Suttons. These arrived today, so 72 annual Bumper Garden Collection. So you got some Bacopa Snowtopia, Begonia Lotto, Begonia Organdi, Gazania Tiger Stripes, Geranium Jackpot, Impatience Busy Lizzies, and we've also got Lobelia Ultra Cascade, Nicotiana, Petunia Double Orchid Flowered, Petunia Frenzy, Rebecca All Sorts, I think that says, and Verbena Quartz. So we're just going to get these all potted up and planted on. If you want to see how to do that, if you check out one of the earlier videos, you'll be able to see what I did with the Begonia apricot shades that we've got. But let's get these transplanted and potted on. And there we have the potted up 72 annual summer collection. Put those on with the begonias, and then we've got this tray here as well. So we'll pot them on. Once they get established and the weather gets better and we're frost free, we can then plant them out. Another successful job. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.